The student program consists of a lot of different activities for students,
like introducing to IR, mentoring brunch, students on stage, and a student quiz.
So it is really cool and detailed, structured program.
For me, the most inspiring event was the introducing to IR. It was the most favorite part because I felt so many emotions. There I felt like I belong here.
Personally, the hands-on workshops were truly a highlight because you got to know people that are experts in the field of IR, and on the other hand, you just try to get more into IR technique or to just combine clinical skill and theoretical knowledge. You get to know different techniques, but you're also allowed to do mistakes.
The best thing for me was definitely the simulator gallery, because it allowed me to really fall in love with interventional radiology and push myself.
So you really have to come to try to do embolizations, ablations, biopsies, drainages, to actually do it on a simulation training device.
You can learn the procedure, you can use the guide wire, you can use the catheter.
It was inspiring for me because I was doing these hands-on training sessions where I could do all the procedures which otherwise I wouldn't have the access to do that.
In student program, my favorite part was students on stage, because I had a presentation there, so it was a great opportunity to be a presenter in CIRSE, because it's a well-prestigious congress.
For someone who's interested in research, the student program is also an amazing career starter.
You should come to the congress because you get to know so many things about IR, about other countries, how they are performing IR, about career opportunities and internships.
It's very valuable for students who are interested in radiology but maybe don't know fully if they want to go into IR or not, so that they can see for themselves what interventional radiology can offer.
The Mentors Breakfast for students is an absolute unique opportunity to connect with mentors and to get to the opportunity to enroll for different internships or even residencies after grad school.
You got the chance to know if you like IR or not. Also, you've got a chance to meet mentors and approach them and build connections. And also you can meet students from other countries and network with them.
Opportunity, network, and hands-on.
Innovative, hands-on, educational.
Mentorship, clinical experience, and networking.
Rewarding, inspiring, and community.
Best Congress experience for medical students.
I think IR is the future. It's a way to connect research, hands-on skills, and it's a very broad field.
Legyél inspirálva.
Lasst euch von der interventionellen Radiologie inspirieren.
Fii inspirat, veniți la congres.
Pozwól się zainspirować.
İlham al.